The story 18, lights in the house. My mother was mad. What was wrong? She saw all the lights in the house were on and no one was home. Mom said, when you turn off the lights, you save energy and you save money and you save the environment. Is that hard to do? No, of course. Of course not, said my brother. Please, let's not forget again, said my mother. Turn off the light and when you leave the room. Min ơi, lại đây bye bye này. Thank you. Thank you and bye bye. Bye bye. And see you the next video. Bye bye. Min ơi, bye bye này. Min, thấy chưa? Đâu bye bye đâu. Bye bye. See ya.